ladies and gentlemen, we got it done. Bike's running, forks are good, everything's good. Missing a part, but hey, we'll find that tomorrow or something like that. So now we're gonna show you what he's doing. Het moet in het Engels. Moet je even je vizier, anders sta je erop.
Nee, zo gaat het wel.
It's a little dark out here. Kijk hoor. Een sticker?
Die moet eigenlijk op de tank, hè?
Ja, you can put that in the tank.
Eigenlijk moet hij op de tank, hè?
Wacht even, I have a light. There you go. RBM Crew. We got it done, but a motorcycle shop didn't want it started.
So, thanks guys.
You're welcome. Have a good trip. Be safe. If there's something wrong with it, let us know, and we'll be around.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. So maybe it was just a spark plug that was busted. Let's hope that's what it was. We have to check the oil yet. So as you can hear, it's raining. Cats and dogs. We took a test ride. Mr. B went on it, took it around the block a couple of times and down the busy street, turned around. Sounded great. I took it for a little spin around. Everything worked fine. Now we're going to do the front forks. They need new oil, they need new seals. So once we did that and we put the rest, Mr. M is putting all the stuff back on so that me and Mr. B, we got to move the bike up a little bit because I can't get the ramp off. We're going to move it up a bit and then we're going to start taking off the fender and we're going to take the wheel out and then we're going to take the forks out one at a time, get them fixed, and she'll be ready to go. Finally. Oh. Thanks for your patience. Hey guys.
This one seems to stop up.
Hey guys. The key?
Yeah. And you have it started.
Alright. No, you don't have to put it all the way. Why don't you just put it...
That's right.
Thank God.
Never is. No.
Yeah.
That sounds just like your girlfriend. The loose one. That's nasty, boys.
Yeah, but true.
Yeah, but true. I know. God damn it, I should stop making jokes.
It smells nice.
I don't want to.
You're just...
It's nice to watch you guys work for a change.
I'm not... What am I doing? I'm holding the camera.
Yeah, I'm holding my beer.
You're holding your beer. There you go. Now make sure you don't lose it. And now you can hammer it out.
Yes. Remove it from the plastic.
Yeah. No, take it out the...
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, now make sure you don't lose anything.
Yeah.
There you go. See if there's keys on there.
Thanks, brother.
trees growing in the shed.
I think those guys need to get away more often. Because they overcomplicate everything.
Full.
That's roughly okay. This one's okay.
It's full.
Well, the test was about running.
It's flooding. Why? Carburetor's rebuilt. Float level's been checked. Is it shutting off? We don't know. Stay tuned.
Ik heb hem een beetje vastgelegd.
This spark issue. Yeah. It's running on one cylinder.
Achter voort.
Voor zit het niet.
We hebben nog losse bobines, 2.